2.
Did this get claimed Ana DeBose?
It did not.
So who is she?
Ariana DeBose.
Okay.
She she came from Broadway. So
she's a singer.
Performer, dancer. She's dancer first usually. She played Anita in Spielberg's West Side Story. She
That's a big
won
deal.
an Academy Award for it. She's a very talented woman, and she was performing at the BAFTAs about a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago.
And I guess she got bullied so much that she erased all of her social media for this.
She deleted her Twitter after this happened. She has since said that she loves all the memes and gay Twitter loves her, so she's happy about that. But she did delete her Twitter.
She bailed. Good
right
for
after
her.
this happened.
That's the best way to respond to it. She didn't do anything wrong. She's a little funny. Here's a little ditty she put together for the ladies.
Ladies in the room, supporting and leading, all here I presume. Hong Chow, Dolly D, Carrie and Carrie with the C. Dame Emma, I'm so fond. Anna girl, you were great and blonde. Danielle D, you broke my heart. Michelle, I've loved you from the start. Angela Bassett did the thing.
That's the part that I think got most people. Angela Bassett did the thing.
Amazing.
Angela Bassett did the thing.
Angela Bassett. Like, are you
Angela
kidding me
Bassett.
right now?
She doesn't really hit me as the triple threat, but apparently she is.
From that performance,
She's pretty goofy in it.
it was a goofy performance. She has some killer talent, though.
Okay, well, it wasn't on display this evening.
Not in Angela Bassett.
Did the thing. Viola Davis, my woman king.
That one too. Viola Davis.
Blanche Kate, you're a genius. And Jamie Lee, you are all of us. All the ladies in the room.
I can't say that I'm getting a lot of talent from this performance.
Don't judge her just from.
I'm just saying. I'm surprised she's the triple threat.
Angela.
The fuck? What? Wait, has someone already made a remix?
It's just Zach.
I was just fucking around.
Oh, that was nice. She's
Angela Bassett did the thing. Supporting and leading, all here I presume. Hong Chow, Dolly D, Carrie and Carrie with the C. Dame Emma.
That's really her lyric? Carrie and Carrie with the C?
I doubt she wrote it. Let's be real.
Well, whoever wrote it, she's ruined her whole life. So.
Dame Emma.
I'm so fond. Anna girl, you were great and blonde. Danielle D, you broke my heart. Michelle, I've loved you from the start. Angela Bassett did the thing. Viola Davis,
So good.
Blanche Kate,
The
you're
way
a
she moves her shoulders, too, it's like really...
She thought she
It
was doing
works.
something.
She was.
Why is she so out of breath?
There's
That's the main
something
thing.
off.
Like the breath is just way
She did something
way off
off
for some
here.
reason. Yeah.
Something
Is
was
she?
happening. History was
Yes,
being made.
Jamie Lee, you are all of us. All the ladies in the room.
Her
Supporting
and her
leading, all
team
here
wrote
I
it. I'm
presume.
seeing in the chat. So,
Yeah, I don't think
okay.
that had to be her.
Angela.
It's just that bad. It's just really bad.
I don't know. I've always thought Jamie Lee is all of us. Jamie Lee Curtis.
I like
love-
listen.
I love that she's vibing with it. Like everyone else looks shell shocked, and she's just like, "Yeah."
Just to be real, I am a Jamie Lee fan, but how is she all of us?
Yeah, this.
Uh,
The thing. Carrie and Carrie with the C. Dame Emma.
What an honor. She's honoring the great women here tonight. Carrie with a C.
If she had said, Olivia Lopes did the thing, I would be so honored.
Right.
Can you imagine?
No, it is an honor. It is an honor.
Angela Bassett did the thing. I'm so fond. Anna girl, you were great and blonde. Danielle D, you broke my heart. Michelle, I've loved you from the start. Angela Bassett did the thing. Viola Davis, my woman king.
It's like she's on another planet for that verse. Anyway, pretty funny. I don't know.
The one in the chat said she sounds like a Canadian from South Park.
Hey, buddy. Angela Davis did the thing, buddy.
oh wow, I hear it.
That flirtatious tension or end up sleeping with a girl, we would prefer.
Bro, what's up? I'm trying to hear the clip.
Music is drowning it out.
Wow,
Come on.
you are looking hot at brunch right now.
I'll have the eggs Benedict, please. Extra hard. Can I get the Benedict extra hard? I don't like the runny white.
No hollandaise.
Is the orange juice fresh or is it
the
canned?
hollandaise. 86 the hollandaise.
Oh, it's canned? No, I don't want it then. I'll have a... I'll have one Pellegrino, please.
Did the thing.
Are we having mimosas today?
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow.
Love that.
All right. Very good.
Very good. Well done, Olivia.
No. Well, you don't want to hear about 9/11.
But who? That's presumptuous. I don't think... I mean, that's an accusation she's laying on the audience. Y'all don't want to hear about 9/11.
Oh, Brittany Broski was there at that show.
Oh, for real? Of course she was. She's everywhere important. All at once.
No. Well, you don't want to hear about 9/11.
No.
No. Well,
No. You don't want to hear about 9/11. It was a really bad day. You don't want to hear about 9/11. I think that dust turned me gay.
What did Angela Bassett do on 9/11?
She did the thing. She did 9/11.
Oh my God.
Angela Bassett did 9/11.
That is a horrible accusation, Zach.
Interesting. Okay, well, shout out to the Queen, Mariah Carey. Okay, we've got a lot to get to. Lots of fun stuff here today. First of all, look how this shirt, which is so cool. Is there a Teddy Fresh?
Turn around.
Wait, are we doing
Here.
it? We do it?
Ooh.
Oh my God.
Keep the music going.
Oh my God. It's going. Music has
Turn it up.
Angela Bassett.
Angela.
Well, we're actually going
Angela,
to do
Angela.
a little project.
Angela Bassett did the thing.
We're going to do a little runway over there.
We're going to do a runway. Should we do it now already?
Yeah.
Well, we're here. We're doing it.
This coming week, on Thursday, Teddy Fresh Godzilla collaboration is coming out to great fanfare. This collection is amazing.
Yeah.
Godzilla is beloved by all.
He'd removed his wedding ring, with the ring's absence correlating perfectly with the very first post in which he'd painted his nails.
kills me.
Chris can
What?
That
the
part?
red circles?
We're in the circles about the nail polish.
The very same day he took off his ring, the ring, he painted his nails.
altogether. Fans also noted
There's no way. That's what I'm saying. He knows what he's doing. He goes in the studio and literally records this.
his Instagram. Yet after this, the family photo stopped altogether. Fans
Together. There's no way they...
Yo.
Together.
Only some of us will get this reference, but people are pointing out he sounds like General Riker from Elden Ring. The snake dude, he talks exactly like that. Do you remember?
I don't know.
You played it on mute?
I play every game on it.
Well, never mind then.
You know, I just don't.
Well, trust me, he does.
Together. Well, was he a snake guy?
Yeah, the big, the
Okay.
giant snake boss.
So he's a
He
snake.
talks exactly like
Riker.
that.
Yeah, I remember his voice.
Yeah.
I was thinking of someone else. Yeah.
Angela
So
Bassett
notice
did the
that
thing.
Angela. Thank you to Shannon. Together, we can misgender the very good.
he'd removed his wedding ring, with the ring's absence correlating perfectly with the very first post in which he'd painted
Illuminati
his nails.
proven right there.
No.
Illuminati.
Illuminati!
No.
Yeah, this is like...
Not the red circles.
You probably didn't need to include this as evidence.
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
All right.